Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we'll solve page 58 from countdown 4. Now number B. Number B, we have to find out HCF and LCM of these pairs of all numbers. So here we have to find out HCF and LCM. So what does HCF and LCM mean? HCF already we have know that HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. Highest common factor. And what about LCM? LCM means least common multiple. That means we have to find out the common multiple and then we have to find which one is the least. That means the lowest one. That is actually LCM. At first, we have to solve the HCF and LCM of 30 and 12. Number 1. At first, try to find out the prime factors of 30. So how can we find out? 30 divided by 2, that will be 15. Because 15 2 is 30. We can divide 15 by 3, it will be 5. 3 5 is 15. Again, we can divide 12 by 2. 2 6 is 12. We can divide 6 by 2, it will be 3. So we can express 30 in this way. 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. We can express 12 in this way. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now, we have to find out the common factors. So this 2 is common in both number and this 3 is common in both number. So here we can say our HCF will be 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3, that will be 6. And what about the LCM? LCM means HCF multiplied by all other factors. So except 6, that means 2 and 3, we have 5 and 2. So we have to multiply this HCF by 5 and 2. So 5 2 is 10, 10 6 is 60 will be our LCM. And another interesting thing is that you can divide this 30 and 12 both by their HCF 6. And you can divide LCM by this number. That means you can divide 60 by 30. You can divide 60 by 12 very easily. Now, number 2. Number 2 says 16 and 48. 16. So we can divide 16 by 2 at first. That will be 8. 8 divided by 2, that will be 4. 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. 48. We can divide 48 by 2, it will be 24. 24 divided by 2, that will be 12. 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. 6 divided by 2, that will be 2. So we can express 16 and 48 in this way. So 16 represents, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That means we can express 16 in this way. And we can also express 48 in this way. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So now HCF. What will be our HCF? HCF is equal to the common factor. So this 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common, this 2 is common. So HCF will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. That will be 16. Now what will be our LCM? LCM will be HCF multiplied by all other factors. So at first we have to write HCF, then other factors means 3. 16 3 is 48. And that will be our LCM. That means you can easily divide 16 and 48 both by 16 and you can divide this LCM by these individual numbers. Now, next one, number 3. Number 3 says 24 and 39. So, how can we solve? At first, we have to find out the prime factors. 24 divided by 2, that will be 12. 12 divided by 2, that will be 6. 6 divided by 2, that will be 2. Very simple. Again, 39. We can divide 39 by 3. So, 3 13 is 39. Now, if we want to express 24 in a prime factors, then what will we get? 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. What about 39? 39 is actually expressed in this way, 3 multiplied by 30. Now, HCF and LCM. So how can we express? This is very simple. Only these 3 is common in both number. So HCF will be 3. And what about LCM? LCM means HCF, that is 3, multiplied by all other factors. So here 2, 2, 2 and 30. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 13. So after multiplying all of these numbers, we will get our LCM. So after multiplying all of this number, we'll get 312. And that is our LCM. That means we can divide 24 and 39 both by 3. And we can divide 312 by 24 and 39. Now, number 4 says 14 and 35. So if we want to express 14 in a prime factor, how can we solve it? 14 divided by 2, that will be 7. 35 divided by 5, that will be 7. So we can express 14 in this way, 2 multiplied by 7. We can express 35 in this way, 5 multiplied by 7. Now, we have to find out the common factor. So this 7 is common in both numbers. So we can say here ACF will be 7. What about LCM? LCM means ACF multiplied by all other factors, that is 2 and 5. So 7 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So 5 2 is 10, 10, 7 just 70. And 70 will be our LCM. So we can say we can divide 14 and 35 both by 7. We can divide LCM 70 divided by 14 and 35. Now number 5. Number 5 says 18 and 56. 18 can be divisible by 2. 2 9 is 18. We can divide 9 by 3, so 3 3 is 9. Now 56. We can divide 56 by 2, then we'll get 28. We can divide 28 by 2, we'll get 14. We can divide 14 by 2, it will be 7. Now, we can express 18 in this way. 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And we can express 56 in this way, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Now, it's time to find out our ACF and LCM. So to find out the ACF, we have to find out the common factor. This 2 is common. And what about LCM? LCM means ACF multiplied by all other factors. So except 2, we have 3, 3, 2, 2, 7. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by, here is a 2 are there. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. After multiplying all of this number, we'll get that our LCM will be 504. That means you can easily divide 18 and 56 by 2. And you can divide 504 by 18 and 56. Now our next question. Next question says 36 and 60. So 36, we can divide 36 by 2, that will be 18. We can divide 18 by 2, that will be 9. We can divide 9 by 3, it will be 3. Again, 60. We can divide 60 by 2, it will be 30. We can divide 30 by 2, it will be 15. We can divide 15 by 3, it will be 5. So we can express 36 in this way. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. We can express 60 in this way. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we have to find out the common factors. So how can we find out? This 2 is common in both number. This 3 is also common in both number, and this 2 is also common in both number. So ACF will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 will be our ACF. And what about LCM? LCM will be ACF multiplied by all other factors. 12 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So we can easily say that 5 12 is 60, 63 is 180 will be our LCM. That means we can divide 36 and 60 by 12. We can divide this LCM 180 by 36 and 60. Now number 7. Number 7 says 55 and 33. 55, we can divide 55 by 5, that will be 11. We can divide 33 by 3, it will be 11. Now 55 is actually expressed in this way, 5 multiplied by 11. We can express 33 in this way, 3 multiplied by 11. Now, what will be our ACF? What will be our LCM? ACF will be the common factor. That 11 is common in both numbers. So ACF will be 11. And what will be our LCM? LCM will be ACF multiplied by all other factors. That means 11 multiplied by all other factors. That means we have only 5 and 3 are left. So 5 multiplied by 3. Simple. So how can you solve this one? 11 5 is 55. 55 3 is 165. So 165 will be our LCM. This is super simple. Now our next one, number 8. Number 8 says 22. We can divide 22 by 2, that will be 11. We can divide 132 divided by 2. It will be, 2 6 are 12. 1 is remainder. So 12, 2 6 are 12. Again, we can divide 66 by 2. It will be 33. We can divide 33 by 3. It will be 11. So we can express 22 in this way. 22 is equal to 2 multiplied by 11. 132 is actually 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Now, our HCF and LCM. So how can you find out HCF? HCF is, this 11 is common in both numbers, this 2 is common in both numbers. So 2 multiplied by 11, that is 22, will be our HCF. And what about the LCM? We can say LCM will be HCF, that is 22 here, multiplied by all other factors, that is 2 and 3. So after multiplying all of this number, we'll get 132, and that will be our LCM. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.